Unity is strength. Once upon a time, there was an old farmer in a village. He had 4 sons. They were illiterate. They used to quarrel with each other every day. This made the farmer very anxious. He wanted to teach them a lesson. So one day he called his sons to his bedside. He said, I think I will die very soon because you always quarrel. You bring misery into my life. So be in peace and let me be in peace. But the sons didn't listen to him. He tries to tell them many times to avoid quarreling, but he failed. After a few days, he again saw his sons quarreling. The farmer was very wise, so he hit upon a plan to reform his sons. He asked them to bring some sticks. They did so. Then he told them to tie them in a bundle. After that, he told them to break the sticks one by one. They tired but couldn't break the bundle of sticks. Now the farmer told them to untie the bundle and break the sticks one by one. This time they could break the sticks easily. The farmer then said, remember, unity is strength. You are just like the sticks. You could not break the bundle of sticks, but you could break it separately. If you are united, nobody will be able to harm you. But if you are divided, anybody can harm you. The sons realized their mistake and promised to follow their father's advice. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.